Why do some people remember vocabulary so easily, while others forget everything the next day? You study, you repeat, you review, but still, the words disappear. Now here's something interesting. Many successful learners don't try to memorize words at all. Instead, they use a completely different method. And today, I'll show you that method. The real problem? Most people learn vocabulary like this. They write a word, they translate it, they repeat it again and again. But the result? You remember today and forget tomorrow. Why? Because your brain doesn't store isolated information well. Your brain remembers meaning, not random words. The truth about memory. Here's the key idea. Memory is not about repetition. Memory is about connection. The more connections a word has, the stronger it becomes in your brain. Think about it. Do you remember random numbers easily? No. But you remember stories, emotions, personal experiences. That's how real memory works. The deep memory method. This method has 3 simple steps. Step 1. Learn words in context. Never learn a word alone. Don't learn? Decision equals a choice. Learn. I made a big decision yesterday. Now the word has meaning, structure, and emotion. Step 2. Personalize the word. Make it about you. Ask yourself, when did I make a decision? What decision changed my life? Then say, I made a difficult decision last year. When a word connects to your life, it becomes unforgettable. Step 3. Use the word immediately. Don't wait. Use it right now. Speak it. Write it. Repeat it in different ways. Example, I made a bad decision. I made a smart decision. I'm making a decision now. The more you use it, the deeper it stays. Why this method works? This method works because it uses context, how the word is used, emotion, your personal connection, action, real usage. This activates multiple parts of your brain. And that's why you don't just remember the word. You own the word. Common mistake. Most learners chase quantity. 10 new words a day. 100 words a week. But more words is not equal to better memory. Fewer words plus deeper learning equals real progress. So remember, don't try to memorize vocabulary. Try to experience vocabulary. Because you don't remember words by repeating them. You remember them by using them in your life. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.